Assalamualaikum and good morning, ma'am. My name Fermin Rasul. So the topic today is organizing. According to kinds of organizational chart. So number one vertically chart is the show the position of authority on the top with the different levels in the horizontal position and the function running vertically. So ibig sabihin ang pinakamataas na position tulad ng director ay nasa itaas at ang mga sumusunod na position ay napababang pababa. So ang mga tungkulin o gawain ay nakaayos na patayo o vertically. So pinapakita ang mga arranging o gen o command na so halimbawa is sa social work. So may position sila na department secretary, regional director, social welfare officer, community social worker, so client or beneficiary. So kumbaga sino ang namumuno at kung sino ang sumusunod. So gamit ito sa mga ahensya o mga malinaw instruktura tulad ng DSWD. So halimbawa kung may problema ang kliyente, dadaan mo na ito sa community ng social worker. So bago makarating sa itaas. Number 2, horizontal chart. This the show the position of the authority on the left side and present the different levels in the vertically position while the function are the shown horizontally. Meaning to say, ang minuno ng authority ay nasa kaliwang bahagi at ibang position ay nakaanay sa pababa. So vertically, samantalang mga gawain ay nakaayos na paalang horizontal. So like for example, social work, may executive director, program manager, field and workers, volunteers and assessment, counseling, community visit, reporting. So kumbaga ipinapakita nito kung sino ang namumuno at sino ang nasa field. So gamit sa mga NGO o proyekto kung saan makarating aktibidad at kailangan ipakita ang tungkulin ng bawat isa. So last, number 3, secular chart. This is show the position of authority from the middle of the circle and the function flow from the center. Ibig sabihin, ang namumuno ay nasa gitna ng bilog. So abang ang mga tungkulin at member ay nakapaligid dito. So kumbaga pinapakita nito ng mga bawat members ay malaga at makakaugnay. So like for examples, as a social work. So may community organizer, health team, social work, education team, o beneficiaries o clients. So kumbaga is